Okay, come again with the question.
I was asking that for website, I paste the website link here URL.
Yes. Can you paste YouTube
But
URL
for
there?
this is also for YouTube. I can paste YouTube URL to here.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so it will give the page views to the YouTube URL.
Come again.
It will uh, it will provide views for YouTube and both at the same time in this.
Yes, it would. Okay, see what I'm going to do. Firstly, you would have to listen very well, as I would help you achieve your goals, but then I will show you the different ways of achieving them. I presume your question is I want to load my YouTube video or channel.
Like I have edX, AdSense and YouTube channel. So what's the purpose is I want to use this for both three of us. So just explain
Okay,
a bit about how can I go for it.
okay. Now I'm kind of confused again. You mentioned ADX, you mentioned YouTube. I want to know the one I would be stepping in because I would like us to take it one step at a time. Would you want to drive
Okay,
web?
we
Okay,
we are we can go for website first.
okay. Then let's start with the websites. The first step is to paste in your URL. So do you have the URL of this
Yeah.
website? Yes, you can paste it there.
Website. And I pasted it. So, can you tell me one thing? What task we can perform with Primary Pro Access?
Okay.
Like we can click the links by this tool, Primary Access.
Yes, you can click links with primary access with Primary Pro.
Actually, I have made the bot yesterday, but the thing is that let me show you. I have created task two by watching your tutorials. I have made this task. In this, I put link and the path. But the thing is that the my site is load when bot run, but it's not clicking on the link which the ClickX path I provide to it.
Because you didn't add the expert. Hold on, please. Please don't be in a hurry. Hold on, I understand what you're saying. But looking at what you have on that executable list, I can just deduct you did not add the experts. Let me explain properly. Don't be in a hurry. Click on edit to
Okay,
edit that task. Where it says yes, click on it.
okay,
Yes. So
okay.
the version 5.0, I added we added some configurations that looked a bit more advanced. For instance, click on secondary action.
Okay.
Now, good. Click on the middle. Yes. Click on it. Yes, this is where you add that expert you wanted to click on. So, open the website and get the expert, and then yes,
Like I want to click on this article, this one.
copy the expert.
So I go in inspect, then I looking for this. This is the correct link. In this, I need to copy this one. Now,
No,
copy
copy
expert,
full expert, full expert.
full expert. Okay.
Yeah. But firstly, Would you be launching these activities on a mobile device or a desktop device?
Actually, I am launching this bot for Windows.
On Windows. Okay, fine. Then we're good to go. So you can head back to the Okecbot software.
Okay, I have tested this here.
Yes, that's
What I put in this,
how many seconds you'd want it to wait or interact with the page after it has clicked on
like
that expert.
this time period is for what? The browser opening time or the action which it takes place, like it scrolls on website, then click.
No, this is after it has clicked. How many seconds it
Okay,
will wait before it,
like 10
proceeds
to
into some other
15.
thing. Yes.
Let us assume 10 to
No,
15.
yes, then wait. Wait, please. You're always in a hurry. Why
Oh,
when
sorry.
you added this before, why it did not work was because on the previous version of Okecbot, all you had to do was to click that red button, the one that says add to executable list. That was all you had to do before. That was the
Okay,
previous version, yes. But this new version, you don't click the red button except you're ready to actually, you know, upload everything. So what you do is to click the green button up.
green plus button. Okay,
Yes, click on it. Now you've added this as a secondary task. So the primary task was to
okay,
open up your website. Now after it opens it up, it stays for the amount of seconds. Head back, click on primary action. Beautiful. So you said open up my website, technical caps, spend 10 to 15 seconds over there. After you've spent within 10 to
okay.
15 seconds, head over to secondary action. Now on secondary action, click on this expert. Now, if you wanted to add up another expert, you should click on another expert. You should click on. All you have to
Actually,
okay,
what was the thing? I saw your tutorial in that you were using click full X path for typing in Google search bar. So I thought it is for only typing,
okay. No, 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 no. It's for both
but
typing and clicking.
it's for both. Okay, now I understand.
Yes. So now add it now to the executable lists. Okay, then you can now save it as whatever you want to save it as.
Okay, what I was doing that I doesn't press that green plus button.
Okay, I think you already have a name with that, so we could just do 888.
Now I go to launch or this.
No, you can actually go to launch now. Click on
Now,
free.
since I have pro version, so I go for the middle one or right one.
You have primary pro, right?
Primary pro.
Okay, you can go for that one. No, 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 you won't have access to that. I just recalled. What you have is is a creator plan. Click on the first one.
I
Yes,
have this one. These green are not for mine.
yes, click on it.
Okay.
Okay, now select it. Yes, good. Okay, so now at this point in time, I think you have a total of four iPhone, four Android, three Windows. You said you would want to do this with Windows, right?
Yeah.
So head over to the Windows and put in something like 1 to 2. Oh no, on the device
In
range.
Windows.
Yes, on the Windows, yeah, on the device range, put in 1. Then the second column, put in 2. So what
Three.
that no 2, because if you put in 3, it's okay. Put in 3. Let me show you. Let me show you what it does when you put in 3.
Okay.
Now try to
Let's see
start
what
it.
it
Try
is.
to click on the power button. It won't let you. Now this is because you have a total of 3 windows. So you should always have at least one extra window standby, because what this does is to, pop up a minimum of what you said and a maximum of what you said. So when you say minimum of 1, to a maximum of two, it means I have a total of three windows, but I
Okay,
would,
like I have when I have here total windows three, so I cannot put it at maximum. It
yeah,
here is four, then I can put it three.
yes, correct. So now let's
Okay,
do
now I
two.
understand. So I put it two.
Yes,
Now we are good to go.
yes. Now you can now start the engine. Yes, click on it. Okay, so now let's let it just run. The browsers will pop up, and you will see them visit your website and click on that expert.
You don't believe, but I'm following you since last 3.5 years, and you are like our ideal to this AdSense journey, sir.
Mm, that's very
I am
that's
following your. I
okay.
have very
Cause
grateful feeling to have a call and share this up with you.
there are two bots on. Could you check the other one? I think where it says three dots, there's a three dots there. Down on your tax. No, no, not there. Down. I mean, there are like two browsers running. If you shift this one, you see the other one by the back of it or so. Yes, that's it. So the both of them should be automating the task. Okay, take me back to the other one that is already automating. That was one you said 10 to 15 seconds. Now you can see it
Yeah,
has clicked on that
it opened.
expert.
It opened.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's but why did you like I mean for me I prefer running this traffic from mobile because it's easier to manage lots of screens and know how they're
yeah,
going.
yeah. It can come to many screens at one time, and we can see.
Okay, so what you do, switch off the head back to the Okecbot. Click on the Okecbot.
But why?
No. Just go
Okay,
down and click on the Okecbot itself. Yes. Now
okay.
click. No. Don't. Please hold on. Click on that power off button, not to exit Okecbot, but the place you turned on the
Power
engine.
button.
Yes. Click on it again. Okay. Now remove the one and two from the Windows and add the one and two to the iPhones and Android.
We have put in one and two. Then, but the only one window is open, and the bot is performing the executive task in only one. Why there is two? No, there is no two windows open.
Okay. Come again. Ask me again so I can follow up.
I was asking that we have set the device range to 1 to 2,
Okay.
but the
Okay.
only one window is performing actions.
Okay. When we put in one to two, I mean, you already understand it means a minimum of one device and a maximum of two should be performing actions. You
Okay,
already understand that part. But what I want you to do now is to remove the one there. Then we put in one and two for iPhone and one and two for Android. I would want you to
okay.
launch
Then
this
it
with
will
Android.
be. It will perform many different like in iPhone and simultaneously.
Yes.
Okay.
So remove the one on Windows and then head over to iPhone and put one, two, Android one, two.
And should I go for Mac?
No. You don't need to do Mac. Do cover your screen. I want you to see the whole thing in action. Click on the power button. You can drag yes, so we can see the different windows.
Yeah. Go.
Okay, so you have a total of you can see they're all going to that expert. I don't know if you noticed, but they've clicked on
So
the expert.
we can also add the like these ads are showing. Can you see these ads?
Yes, I can see the ads.
So can we put the ClickX path of advertisement also in the bot to directly click on ads?
That is not possible with Primary Pro. There are only two ways you can click on ads. You can click on ads using iframe on the secondary Pro, or you can click on ads using
Okay.
AI on the GPT. But the Primary Pro can only click on experts, and ads don't fall into experts.
Okay. We can add multiple tasks, like we can first give him to open our site, then we give him task to click on the link, then we only can add the click task to primary pro,
Yes,
but
correct.
we do it many times, like can I stop this,
Yes, you can stop.
like what I'm trying to say, like any example we can take. This is a site, like first this page is opened by bot, then it click to, we appoint him task and it click to this, so this site open, this page open, then we again provide him task to, like we assign that click part to him, and it goes for this, and we can, how many like tasks at one time we can appoint to it.
I think at the moment it's unlimited. But
Okay.
how about we do this? We'll do this now so you get to learn it.
Okay, let's
Wait,
do it.
hold on. Let me give you access to Secondary Pro just for 3 days, so you get to test this out yourself.
Okay, thank you, it will be very great.
Okay, hold on while I log in and text me your.
API
Okay, okay,
key.
no, no, I think I was the one who gave you the. You shouldn't have opened that here on the video, but don't worry. I could do that from my own end. Yes, just hold on. I would upgrade your access. So head back to
Am I supposed?
Okecbot and let's create a task to make a Google search. From that task on the Google search, just like you did, I believe you started from a Google search. Was that how you got here? This car wash. This car wash website at the back, the website you visited last. Hello.
Sorry.
Okay. Um, just minimize the Okecbot app. Let me ask you a question. Yes, this website. Okay, Car Wale. How did you get here? Did you get here from a Google search?
No, it's like I took example. This is not my site.
Okay. What I'm asking is, did you make a Google search? Okay, just click back. Like click back so I can know what
Okay,
brought you here.
what you are trying to say
No, 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 no,
google.com.
no, no, no. Hold on, please. I mean, just click back, like where it says like the previous page. Yes. Click back again. Good,
Okay,
good. So you actually started this search from Google.
okay,
Yes, you search for cars on Google, and when you search for cars on Google, you saw new cars in India in 2024, and then you clicked on it. So
yes,
please go forward.
I click on it.
Yes, click on it. So you
Okay,
clicked on it,
then this
and
opened.
yes, and then when this opened, you clicked on Hyundai or Hyundai.
Honda.
Honda, yes, you clicked on Hyundai.
Yeah.
So now you're asking how you can automate something like this on OKBot, which is perfect because this evades bot detection systems. It's practically you coming in on from Google down to going through the list on Google to finally click on something. So I'll show you how to do this right now. Let me increase your access. Then we would automate this exact step. So open the Okecbot app again.
Okay.
Okay. So on the Okecbot app, click on create task.
So, can
Okay.
I
Yes, go on.
started earning ad revenue by primary pro?
Yeah, you can generate ads revenue by Primary Pro. I only wanted to show you I wanted to show you how to do this. Hold on.
Okay.
Just hold on. I'm still with you. Hold on. I'm with you.
Yeah. Take
Okay.
your time.
um you asked the question. Okay, you were asking if you could, yeah, do this, if you could make money on Primary Pro. Yes, you could. So the only reason why I am currently doing, like, giving you the access to the secondary is just to let you know that the question you asked initially, which was the question around if you could, do this on a, like, if you could, like, make a Google search, then from the Google search, if you could keep on, like, how many activities could you keep on nesting? So I wanted to show you how to do it yourself. You can't actually do this particular nesting on Primary Pro because Primary Pro can't type into something. So Primary Pro can only click on expert links, but on
Got
Secondary Pro, you can type into something, you can click on expert links, you
uh,
can keep doing them. Yes. So I wanted to give you access to the Secondary Pro just so I can teach you how to type into that Google search box cars. And when the cars open, so you can go through, the bot would go through the list of search results and click on the cars, the first link you clicked on. And when that page opens, it will click on Hyundai, just where you wanted it to click on Hyundai. And when it opens on Hyundai, then you practically just understand that you could keep on going on and on and on, and the limit is endless. So I wanted to, like, give you
yeah.
the secondary access
The
just so you can try it out. Okay, so
okay. Thank you.
yeah, I wouldn't want you to send me your API key. Okay, I've seen it.
Yeah.
I've seen it. I would want you to send me on this call because I'm
Okay.
recording this as a
Let me send you it by my phone.
phone. Okay, okay. Think I've seen something similar. Let me check and confirm. Okay, yeah, I was right. Um, okay, beautiful. I've given you access already.
I have sent you my API. And what proxy you suggest me to use in this bot?
Oh, the answer of Proxy, it's a long one, and that is because it depends on the location.
Which
Um,
one?
it depends on the location. So you tell me the locations, and I'll be able to tell you the process that are good. Some vendors are quite good with process from the Europe, while some other vendors are quite good with process from in America. So basically, the location determines better. So let's start
No,
with,
no. I was talking about which company proxy you suggest me and which category.
that is still the same thing I just said. Now you didn't understand. I said the company itself, they're not good with all locations. So when you tell me the locations you want, I can tell you what company is quite good with providing good IPs.
Like according to you, uh, I need to derive tier one country traffic or normal.
Normal how?
Like I need to buy USA proxy, UK, Canada, Australia, these type of or
Okay,
native proxy of like India.
okay. So I think you just want the high CPC location proxy in a nutshell. Okay, for things like that, I would recommend Foxy proxy. They're quite expensive, but they're the best when it comes to US and UK specifically.
You
Um,
can send me the link to WhatsApp.
okay. Let's just proceed. Okay, you know what? Maybe we'll reschedule to some other time. Then I'll have the time to show you how the secondary works. Because I think we've been on this call for up to 25 minutes, and you might have so many other questions you would want to ask that might exceed this class. Okay, you want to do it now? Okay, click on Secondary Pro. Now put in google.com on the where it says HTTPS. Put in google.com. Yes, they're putting the link of
HT
google.com. https google.com. Okay. Yes, I think you understand the assignment. Okay, so when we get to google.com, we'll spend 2 to 5 seconds. So put 2 to 5.
2 to 5.
Yes. Now, where it says tax name, just type search for car or Google search for car, any of them.
Google Task.
Okay. Okay, Google tax is fine. Now click on secondary actions. Now we want to type into Google. So click on yes, type into hit enter. The third one, yes, type into hit enter. Yes. Okay. Now let's go copy the S part of where we want it to type into. Okay. So copy full S parts. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now click on where it is something to type. Type cars, just the way you did before.
Ah,
But
okay.
just to get hold on, just to get that exact result we will be looking for, type cars Wally or cars Wally WALES confirm. Yes, then put in like 5 to 10 seconds on the duration.
5 to 10 seconds. Okay.
Yes. Okay, now click on the green add. So now this means you've typed this on Google and you've hit enter.
Okay.
Now the next thing we want to do is to go through the search results and look for that Cars Wally. So click on that thing that looks like a history again, the other green button. Yes, now click on go there, click
Similar links.
yes, similar links. Perfect. Now let's head back to Google and act like we are, trying to make that search again, just so we can get that. So on Google, search for Cars Wally. Okay, okay. This works well too. So right click. No, no, go back. Right click. Go to inspect. Now Google has what the thought that site was. Scroll up on the side. After inspecting, scroll up. You should see something like an A tag.
This one.
No, scroll up. No, where it says elements. No, not there. You're being too fast. You're trying to get the link to click on. So scroll up a bit. Yes, hold on.
This
Now,
one.
yes, that's it. Where it says that H ref. Click on
Edit as HTML.
yes, edit as HTML. Now copy the href above. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now head back to Okecbot. Paste it. Remove that yes, good. Remove the auto forward slash.
Okay.
Fantastic. So now we can give it like let's say 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now click on the green button again to add. So that's the second thing to
These
do.
two
Yes, now click on
are
the
appointed to it.
history again at the top, that the other green. Good. So
Yeah.
now
Now we need to put Hyundai one.
yeah. So let's do that. Let's do that real quick so I can complete the project.
It's been great experience working with you.
Yes.
So we can click it by putting it in full XPath 2.
Yes, full experts.
Either
Yes.
either for in secondary pro we have that similar link option, but we can also click this by click XPath.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that's what I. So I need to.
Right click, copy. No, 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 no. You don't have to edit now. You don't need that now. You just need to copy the experts. The only time it can click on a link is if the link is href. So for this, just copy full experts on the image.
Okay, So I need to go
Copy.
in edit
No,
as
no, no, no. Don't go there. Just go to copy. Copy full experts.
okay.
Yes. So head back to the Okecbot software. Now, we're no longer using similar links again. Instead, we're using an expert to click on. Yes. No, click experts. Not type into click.
Okay, okay.
Yes, because you want to click on the Hyundai. Yes. So
Okay,
paste. Okay,
when
go
we
on.
click on a particular link, it's for similar link. Okay, now I understand.
Yes. Okay. Now paste. Now let me explain the difference. When you say click on an expert, you know what you want to click on. When you say find
Okay.
similar link, you are assuming this is Instagram, this is YouTube, this is Facebook, and this is a search results. So you want the bot to go through that search results and look for a similar link. This could be the link to a Facebook profile or YouTube channel, or maybe the link to a website on a Google search. I don't know
Yeah,
if you
that
understand.
particular link can present uh, 2 to 3 times on a same page.
Yes, thank you very much. I think you understand perfectly. Okay, so now
Yeah,
let's
I
put in
understand.
like 5 to 10. Okay, so
Okay,
now add up on the green button. Okay, so now we can now click on the red button now to finally add this to the chain. Yes, to the executable list. Okay, now give this a name.
save.
Yes, click it. We could yeah, save. We could save it with cars or anything you want. Yeah. We
Okay,
did 888
save
last. We did seven seven
secondary,
seven 888. Let's do 999 or whatever. Okay, anyone.
like 999.
Okay, yes, perfect. Okay. So now let's go to that launcher and free random executor.
Oh, free. For pro. So in secondary we have that pro na.
No, the creator plans are different from the executor plans. So for instance, when you buy a primary pro,
Okay, these are
yes,
different plans. Okay.
yes, okay. So that's what you go into next. We'll do it Windows as we assume it's similar experts. Okay, 999. Then Windows, yes. So on Windows, just put 1 to 2. You can't run them on a mobile at this point because the expert of Google, of that Google search box on mobile, is different from that on desktop. But it could work perfectly fine for Mac and then
Yeah,
Windows.
yeah. The optimization of mobile is different from Windows, so we need to copy the like we are if we are running this on iPhone, so we need to copy the XPath according to iPhone.
Yes, correct. You get it now. So let's work Windows. You can click the power button now.
So right now we are copying the XPath of Windows, so we go for it.
Okay, good. So we're gonna wait a bit, and I will just patiently wait for the Google search to be automated, and then I can leave the call. Okay. So we have two browsers here. Okay. It's heading over to Google now. Now it's gonna type exactly what you wanted it to type.
Yeah, it's typing.
The same thing with the other one too. If you can push this one aside, you'd see that's the same thing with the other one as well. The both of them will be making this Google search in real time.
So will it remove it by itself? Yes.
Now it
Okay,
has
it
it
will
has opened up,
create a quick link.
yeah, all by itself. And then
Yeah.
if you let it as well, you see it click on Hyundai. Now, could you shift the tab so I can also see the other browser, the other bots doing the same thing? Beautiful. Okay, that one has not catched up. So please head back to the one currently in view so we can see
Why in
if
this browser the task is not performing?
yes, I would have to check on that later because I noticed the same thing on the first one. So you can see this is Hyundai cars and it's saying all successful.
Yeah.
Yes. So I've given you
Okay.
access to the secondary pro. You now have like better features right now. Aside clicking on that, you can also click on ads with it. The secondary pro clicks on ads as well.
Thanks.
Yes. Okay. See you. Till next time. See you. Ending up the call now.
So for how much time I have the access?
3 days. Your primary pro access still runs, but you also have secondary access for like 3 days. So from now to the next three
Primary
days,
Pro access. Yeah, the second tab is now performing.
okay. You paid for primary pro access for a month. So what I'm trying to say is your primary pro access you paid for a month.
Like primary Pro access I have for 1 year as a compensation
Okay.
provided by your support
Oh,
team.
okay. You're one of my students back then.
Yeah, back
Okay.
then we have following you since your coded bots were there, and
Okay.
you
How
know
how,
we
how
got
much did you
several
pay for
lines
the
for
class? How much did you pay for the class then when you had paid for it?
class.
Yes, when you paid for the Athens class, how much did you pay?
I cannot understand what you are saying.
Okay, you were once a student, so you were given primary pro as a compensation.
Yeah, yeah.
So when you paid for the class, the course, when you paid for the course as a student, how much did you pay?
Like I have paid around 1,000 USDT to you.
Okay, $1,000. Okay, that means I think you joined 2022.
Ah, 2022, I think.
Okay, okay, I will give you the secondary pro for 6 months. So
Thanks a
I will
lot.
give you a better conversation. On the next video, I'll teach you how to click on ads and how to properly set it in a way that it loads your AdSense account without any form of ban or issue.
Thanks a lot. This will
Okay.
mean a lot, Mr.
You're welcome. Stop the automation from running on so you don't run out of data. See you next time.
So now I stop this bot.
Yes, you're back to Okecbot. Click on the power off. Yes.
Thanks a
Okay.
lot, sir.
Yeah.